Janet LeBlanc here, and in this quick video I'm going to explain how to use the blue sales tax tab in your Shopify import add-on or your Shopify seller spreadsheet. Regardless of whether you're using the import add-on, which is this guy here, or if you're using a Shopify seller spreadsheet, you're going to have this same blue sales tax tab in either file. It's going to work exactly the same. So right now I'm going to show you how to use it with the Shopify import add-on, but if you use the seller spreadsheet, please know that all these instructions apply to you too. This tab is pretty easy to use. When you import in your CSV file here from Shopify, it's ready to go. All you need to do is go to your blue sales tax tab and choose from this drop-down menu, which is going to activate once you click on the yellow cell. You'll see this little drop-down menu thing. You want to choose whatever state you need to look at to see how much sales tax you collected and how many total sales you have in that state. So let's say I use California, for example. I've already imported data in the February tab here. It's going to tell me exactly how much I've collected on Shopify for sales tax in California. It's going to tell me my total sales and my total in this state of California sales. And it's also going to tell me it's going to tell you those total sales, including shipping and excluding shipping. And that's because in some states, we do have to charge sales tax on shipping, and in some states we don't. And I don't know exactly what state you're in or what state you're working with. And I want you to be able to have both of those numbers on hand so you can have whichever one you need to easily fill out your form. That's pretty much how this tab works in a nutshell. Keep in mind that if you have sales from other sources, that is not going to be tabulated for you right here. This is just keeping track of your Shopify stuff. If you want to look at sales in another state, you can do that here. And then remember, if you're worried about the changes in sales tax rules that came about in 2018, where you might need to be concerned with the number of sales you have per state to reach different economic nexus thresholds, I encourage you to check out the other video in this playlist that's going to explain exactly how to use this orange by state tab. Thanks.